Hi, today I want to talk about the Neuro Lymphatic type in Iridology, which we can easily identify by their very wavy iris fiber structure, which we can see here, which almost looks like permed hair. These people tend to be benevolent and very empathic, but also are highly sensitive and restless a lot of times. They are prone to nervous system issues and tend to be sympathetic dominant, which shows up in an iris as an enlarged pupil, which we can see very clearly here or in this eye as well. Common issues that are related to the nervous system can include headaches, migraines, vascular spasms, or nervous asthma. Since they're emotionally very sensitive, this can also lead to periods of anxiety, which then can impact the adrenal glands. So the main focus for people with this type is definitely the nervous system. And since we can see it mostly in people with blue eyes, which tend to have more lymphatic issues, like we can see here in this example, where we can see these lymphatic tophi, which indicate a higher susceptibility for lymphatic stagnation. This is also an area to work on. One personality attribute that is generally very common in this type is the people pleasing. So these people tend to say yes to everything before they think about if they can even commit to what they signed up for, which is generally one of their main lessons in life, to think twice before they make any promises. If you would like to learn more about your own eyes and how to make simple changes that have a great impact on your life and health, then check out my website fruitfulsolution.com, and I'd love to do a reading for you.